Can you write 3 as the difference of two squares? Let us see. 3 can be expressed as 4 minus 1, and 4 is 2 squared minus 1 is 1 squared. Therefore, here we have expressed 3 as a difference of two squares, odd number 3. What about the second odd number, say 5? Can you write it as the difference of two squares? 5 means 9 minus 4, and 9 means 3 squared, and 4 means 2 squared. Is there a pattern, or we are just getting lucky? Today we are going to discover something surprising. By the end of this video, you will be able to express any odd number as the difference of two squares within seconds, a single line. No guessing, no trial and error, but just one beautiful idea. Now here, pause the video and try to express number 7 as a difference of two squares. 7 means 16 minus 9. 16, 4 squared, 9 is 3 squared. Are you noticing something here? Look only the numbers that are being squared and try to make relation with the original number. 2 with 3, 1 with 3, 3 with 5, 2 with 5, 4 with 7, and 3 with 7. Let us try to make relation between these numbers. Now let us express number 2 in terms of 3. It is going to be 3 plus 1 over 2. 3 plus 1 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. And 1 means 3 minus 1 over 2. 3 minus 1 is 2, divided by 2 is 1. And similarly, for the second number, that is 5, let us write 3 and 2 in terms of what? In terms of 5. Then 3 is going to be 5 plus 1, that is 6, divided by 2, which is 3. And similarly, 2 in terms of 5 can be expressed as 5 minus 1, that is 4, divided by 2. And when it comes to number 7 case, let us write 4 as what? 7 plus 1 over 2. 8 over 2 is 4. And then 3 is going to be what? 7 minus 1, 6, divided by 2. Then we have formed the relation between the numbers being squared with the first number. And then simply square all of them and make the subtraction between them. And the meaning is we have expressed 3, 5, and 7 as difference of squares with this pattern. You see, for example, 3 means 3 plus 1 over 2 squared minus 3 minus 1 over 2 squared. And 5 means 5 itself plus 1 over 2 squared minus 5 minus 1 over 2 squared. And similarly for 7. Then can we conclude that for any odd number n, it is possible to write it as n plus 1 over 2 squared minus n minus 1 over 2 squared? Is that possible? Can we conclude for any odd number this pattern is going to be applicable? Let us check it. We are going to use the difference of two square identity to check whether any odd number n can be expressed as these two difference of two squares or not. N plus 1 over 2 square minus n minus 1 over 2 square. We can consider this one n plus 1 over 2 like a, n minus 1 over 2 like b. Then we have a minus b, a minus a plus b form. Therefore, this is going to be what? N plus 1 over 2 minus n minus 1 over 2 a minus b multiplied by a plus b n plus 1 over 2 plus n minus 1 over 2. Therefore, it is possible to write any odd number n as a difference of two squares. It is n plus 1 over 2 squared minus n minus 1 over 2 squared. This is true pattern for any odd number n. 9 can be expressed as what? Let us use the relation. 9 means it is 9 plus 1 over 2 squared minus 9 minus 1 over 2 squared. 9 plus 1 over 2 is 5 squared minus 9 minus 1 over 2 is 4 squared. Similarly, if we have two-digit number 99, it is going to be 99 plus 1 over 2 squared minus 99 minus 1 over 2 squared. And 99 plus 1 is 100 divided by 2 is 50 squared. 99 minus 1 is 98 divided by 2 is 49 squared. Look at the relation here. We have 5 with 4. This the second number 4 is 1 less than the first number 5. Similarly here 49, the second number is 1 less than the first number 50. You can have this the pattern format, right? And shall we add one more? For example, say we have 101. It's going to be what? 101 plus 1 is 102 divided by 2 is 51 squared minus 50 squared. Therefore, you can write any odd number as a difference of two squares, right? And for your challenge, try this one. Try to write 2025 as a difference of two squares. Thank you for your time. If you have enjoyed discovering this pattern, subscribe for more. See you in my other video.